From pro contractors to weekend DIYers, DeWalt is the name you trust. Today, we're counting down the top 10 DeWalt tools that belong in every workshop. Power tools, smart accessories, and game changers you didn't know you needed. Let's dive in. Number 1. DeWalt DPG82 Concealer Anti-Fog Dual Mold Safety Goggle. The DeWalt DPG82 Safety Goggle delivers premium eye protection with its tough coat hard-coated lens that resists scratches and extends lens life. The advanced anti-fog coating prevents frustrating clouding, keeping your vision clear in hot or humid conditions. Soft, dual-injected rubber conforms comfortably to your face, providing a secure seal against dust and debris. The adjustable elastic cloth head strap ensures a custom fit for all head sizes. Ventilation channels promote airflow, further reducing fog buildup. The low-profile design offers a full field of vision, while the polycarbonate lens meets ANSI Z8 7.1 Plus standards and blocks 99.9% of harmful UV rays. Perfect for construction, woodworking, grinding, or any job requiring reliable eye protection. Number 2. DeWalt 20V Max Cordless Drill and Impact Driver Combo Kit. The DeWalt 20V Max Combo Kit gives you two essential tools in one convenient package. The compact and lightweight design allows you to work in tight, hard-to-reach spaces with ease. The impact driver measures just 5.55 inches and weighs only 2.8 pounds, while the drill measures 7.5 inches and weighs 3.6 pounds. Both tools feature integrated LED work lights with a 20-second delay, providing visibility in dimly lit areas. The impact driver has a 1/4-inch hex chuck for one-handed loading of 1-inch bit tips. The drill features a 1/2-inch single-sleeve ratcheting chuck for fast, secure bit changes. Includes 2 batteries, charger, and bag. Number 3. DeWalt Screwdriver Bit Set, 40 pieces impact ready. The DeWalt 40-piece screwdriver bit set delivers professional-grade performance with its impact-rated design, built to withstand high-torque cordless impact drivers. The patented bit bar system allows easy removal and customizable placement of bits. The clear lid lets you see contents instantly, while the clip latch ensures secure closing. Each bit features CNC machine tips for a precise fit in screw heads, reducing cam out and preventing stripped screws. The extended flex torque zone transfers optimal torque for maximum driving power. The magnetic screw lock sleeve minimizes drops and reduces wobbling during use. This versatile set supports HVAC, electrical, plumbing, carpentry, and maintenance applications. Includes convenient storage case. Number 4. DeWalt Impact Ready 1.5-inch right-angle drill attachment. The DeWalt Impact Ready right-angle drill attachment gives you best-in-class performance and accessibility in tight spaces. Its compact 1.5-inch front-to-back footprint allows you to reach areas where standard drills simply cannot fit. The metal gear case provides exceptional durability and impact-rated strength for demanding jobs. Robust magnetism projects through the unit, providing excellent fastener retention and preventing dropped screws. This 90-degree drill adapter is compatible with any 1/4-inch internal hex impact or drill driver. The ergonomic design ensures comfortable operation even in awkward positions. Perfect for working between studs, inside cabinets, under sinks, or any confined workspace where a straight drill won't work. Number 5. DeWalt 20-volt Max Blower. The DeWalt 20-volt Max Blower delivers powerful airflow at 100 cubic feet per minute for efficient debris clearing. The 3-speed variable speed switch provides control and versatility for different applications. The variable speed trigger allows adjustment of blowing power during use, while the trigger lock-on feature reduces user fatigue during extended operation. The lightweight, compact design enables use in space-restricted areas. Includes 3 nozzle attachments for various tasks,
perfect for tuck pointing and cleaning joints, clearing debris from ground surfaces, cleaning overhead areas, and maintaining a tidy work area. Battery-powered convenience means no cords to manage. The 20-volt max system ensures compatibility with your existing DeWalt batteries.
Number 6. DeWalt Stud Finder. The DeWalt Stud Finder makes locating framing studs quick and accurate with its advanced center-find technology. Directional LED arrows provide visual guidance to pinpoint the exact stud location, while audible alerts confirm detection. The unit detects wood and metal studs at a depth of 3/4 of an inch. AC and live wire detection adds crucial safety by warning you of hidden electrical hazards before you drill or cut. Constant auto-calibration saves time during use, eliminating manual adjustments. The center marking channel allows convenient marking of stud positions. The slim profile design ensures easy use and compact storage. AAA batteries are included, essential for hanging shelves, mounting TVs, or any wall installation project. Number 7. DeWalt Atomic Compact Series 30-foot tape measure. The DeWalt Atomic Compact Series tape measure proves that size meets power. The compact design gives you more control when measuring, while delivering exceptional durability and reach. The integrated finger brake provides better blade control for quicker, more efficient measuring. With 13 feet of maximum reach, you can take measurements alone without assistance. The fractional blade graphics make reading measurements quick and easy, reducing errors. The durable blade coating resists abrasion and extends tape life. The sturdy hook grabs securely onto surfaces for accurate measurements. Perfect for contractors, carpenters, and DIY enthusiasts, this compact tape measure fits comfortably in your pocket or on your belt clip. Number 8. DeWalt Wearable Bluetooth Speaker. The DeWalt Wearable Bluetooth Speaker delivers pro audio performance in an ultra-lightweight pocket-sized design weighing less than 2 ounces. The improved 4 times stronger clip allows one-handed operation, attaching securely to work uniforms, tool belts, or vests. The built-in microphone enables hands-free music control and clear phone calls. The added footer provides freestanding stability, allowing placement on tool benches or ledges. Rated IP56 for dust and water resistance, this rugged speaker transitions seamlessly from job site to outdoor adventures. The handy carry pouch adds convenience. The loud Bluetooth speaker produces impressive sound quality despite its compact size. Perfect for staying motivated with music while keeping your hands free for work. Number 9. DeWalt Impact Socket Set with Ratchet, 23-piece set. The DeWalt 23-piece Impact Socket Set delivers professional-grade performance with direct torque technology that prevents fastener rounding and provides superior grip. The set includes both metric and SAE sizes, ensuring you have the right socket for any job. Each socket is impact-ready, constructed from heat-treated CR440 steel for exceptional durability under high-torque conditions. Laser-etched markings on every socket allow for quick and easy size identification, even in dimly lit work areas. The sockets are O-ring and retaining pin compatible for secure attachment to impact wrenches. The set comes in a durable storage case for organization and portability. Essential for automotive repair, heavy equipment maintenance, and industrial applications. Number 10. DeWalt 20-volt Max XR Cutoff Tool. The DeWalt 20-volt Max XR Cutoff Tool delivers powerful performance through difficult applications, with its brushless motor providing 550 maximum watts output. The versatile tool cuts a wide range of materials and includes bonded abrasive wheel, diamond multi-material wheel, and diamond tile wheel. The bright LED illuminates dark work areas for improved visibility and precision. The dust shroud features tool-free depth adjustment with markings in millimeters and inches for convenient depth setting. The removable dust shroud includes an airlock connection for connecting to a DeWalt extractor for dust control. The compact design allows access to tight spaces, perfect for cutting tile, metal, masonry, and various construction materials.